Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Phasmophobia on Oculus Quest 2. It's important to understand that Phasmophobia is primarily a PC virtual reality game, not a standalone Quest application. This means you cannot simply download it directly onto your Quest 2 headset and play it as a native experience. A robust personal computer is always required to run the game, even when playing wirelessly, to process its detailed environments and gameplay. The reason a PC is necessary lies in the game's technical demands. Phasmophobia features intricate environments and advanced ghost behaviors that require substantial computing power. Your Quest 2 acts as a window into the game, receiving the visual and audio data streamed from your computer. The game's creators have also stated that the Quest 2's standalone hardware simply isn't powerful enough to deliver the full experience natively. To play Phasmophobia, you will need to connect your Quest 2 to a gaming PC. This can be done either with a high-quality USB-C link cable for a wired connection, or wirelessly using Oculus AirLink or a third-party application like Virtual Desktop. For wireless play, a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is highly recommended to minimize latency and ensure a smooth experience. While Phasmophobia isn't a standalone Quest game, many other fantastic horror titles are available directly on the Quest Store. The developers of Phasmophobia are a small team dedicated to enhancing the core PC experience. They have indicated that creating a native Quest version would require significant compromises and is not a priority for the foreseeable future. So, for now, a PC connection remains essential for ghost hunting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.